Hello guys, we have three AVRs on our screen, and these three AVRs are in three unique conditions. I'll be using them to teach us everything that has to do with AVRs and all AVR issues. So what we are going to do is that I will test each of these AVR on this generator. While I do this, you make your observation for each of them. Then after testing the three, we are going to analyze our observation and I will explain the implications of what you observed. Now let's start with the first one, labeled A. Okay guys, we have tested the three AVRs. Now let us analyze the result. The first AVR, AVR-A, delivered zero output voltage. There was no power output. But is it the only bad AVR here? The answer is no. Having zero power output is the most common AVR issue we used to know. There are two bad AVRs here. The one delivering zero output is even preferable compared to the other one that is delivering voltage but is harmful to the generator. How are we going to identify the one with the fault? We are going to test the automatic voltage regulation of these AVRs to identify the one that is no longer functioning automatically. So we are going to alter the engine speed to see if it's having any effect on the output voltage. If the AVR is in order, the engine speed should not have any effects on the output voltage. The AVR should automatically set the voltage at a particular value, no matter how you increase the engine speed. So we're going to run this test on these two AVR to see the one with faulty voltage regulation feature. I will plug each of them to the generator and gently increase the engine speed, that's the RPM. If the voltage increases, then that very AVR is no longer automatically regulating, which is harmful to the coil of this type of generators. Let's start with AVR B.